Friendly environment. It is one so
साइड में रखना था।
Member Tripura Tribal Autonomous District Councils TTAADC, and in presence of our respected is offering flower bouquet to you. Riyan sir, executive member and others also. So we have with us Agartala South region. It is 32nd branch of State Government Agartala South. Executive member of TTA, our respected Chief General Manager sir, Chairman Kumar Singh sir, is offering Utsayo and flower bouquet. Then our respected DGM sir, L. Hansi sir. He is the module head at HSC of the institution. And then our respected guest, Rajiv Verma, to offer